Okay, for the next extensions, we're going to check out a couple Meet attendance extensions. So we're going to add them by first going to the ellipsis, going down to more tools, clicking on extensions, and then we're going to go down over here to our extensions, click on Chrome Web Store, and then in your search box up here, go ahead and type in Meet attendance. And when you add it, you're going to see some options to add. You're going to go ahead and pick, you see I've added these three. There's even more. So you can pick the ones you want, and you can try them out if you have time. But for sure, add a couple, and I'll show you. I'll demo them. Or if you want to watch the video first, and I'll show you the difference between the two. But for sure, I think these two are excellent extensions. So I already have them added to my extension bar up here. And if you don't see them, remember to pin them so you see them. And the first one, this is the one I've used the longest, is the apple. And so once it's added, when you switch between your people and your chat, you're going to see a new icon here. And you're going to be able to, it'll automatically take attendance every time you switch back and forth if it's turned on. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you the chat. And people will be in there, and I'll see all the messages. And then when I switch back to people, it's going to take attendance. Chat and attend people. Now, to use the tools, you'll see when I hover over the middle, and I don't know if you saw it was red, it was taking attendance. To add a sheet, a new sheet, you're going to click on that icon right there. To add a new sheet to your existing spreadsheet. To add a whole new spreadsheet, you're going to click there. It'll create a new one every time. This turns it on and off. Auto scroll, when you have large lists, like when we do our staff meetings, you'll see 150, 160, 70. It'll scroll down so it can see and add everyone in the Meet. So that's good to have on. So, and then if you click on the actual clipboard here, it's going to open up your spreadsheet in Google Meet. And this is kind of new. They updated it for joined and left times, and then the duration. It used to say your name and you are present, but now you see it's giving you a little bit more. And you see I've clicked on, I have some previous sheets here, and you'll see by date, it'll go through. So every time you click on that, and a new sheet is going to take attendance of everyone in the room.